Hey guys, Harry Duffy here with Ohio Brush Control. So we're out here doing a little bit of maintenance on the forestry mulcher today, the Rayco C140. So this thing's always kind of had a long, not really a long crank, but just kind of a slow crank. Actually, somebody's added 2 extra batteries, auxiliary batteries on top too. So I am going to start chasing why that the engine is cranking so slow. My first thing is to look at some of these terminals. So this is the main battery terminal. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just really pretty crappy connection. I think at one point I even had to re-crimp this just to get it by. This one doesn't have anything on it. It's just one of these really junky connectors for the negative. So I got marine grade battery terminals. I'm going to stick those guys on there, and I'm also going to add a new solder. I'm going to solder a new eyelet onto this one, and probably individual eyelets, maybe one eyelet onto that also. So that is where I'm going to start. I know my batteries are good, so I think it's some sort of wiring issue. So that's where I'm going to start, and I figured I'd bring you guys along just to kind of Okay guys, so it was actually this one that I did a bush fix on. I had a chisel, just punched it 3 times. So yeah, we're just gonna whack these off, replace both these, and get some nice shiny copper, cut it back a little bit, get some nice shiny copper so we have a good connection. There's one. And there's 2. That is kind of what you're left with. You want the solder to overflow. You want to put a little bit too much in there so it overflows. is number 4 or number 3. Looks pretty good.